I'm so excited to be sharing with you one of our most loved appliances in the house. It's the Cuisinart 1.5 quart ice cream maker. And I'm gonna make some ice cream for you, but first I just want to tell you a little bit about this. We've had ours for a very long time. It still works great. It's really great quality. There's really nothing like making your own homemade ice cream. Anything that you buy at the store just does not compare to making this at home. And we love the Cuisinart ice cream maker so much that we actually got one in the 1.5 quart size, and we got another one in the 2 quart size. So we have 2 of them that we use pretty often. It's really fun making different flavors of ice cream. You really don't need 2 machines to make different flavors at the same time. All you would really need is just to get some extra freezer bowls for your machine. This is a really fun appliance to have all year round. You can make different seasonal flavors of ice cream. My personal favorite is the pumpkin pie, which is in your recipe book that would come with the machine. And there's really so much more that you can make with this other than just ice cream. You can make gelato, sherbet, frozen yogurts, and even drinks. There's recipes in the book for margaritas and slushies. If you have dietary restrictions, you can customize the mixtures to really fit your dietary needs. Like if you can't have anything with sugar, you can certainly swap out the sugar for a sugar-free alternative. And I've had a great result every time using this machine. It's so easy to use, so let me show you how this works. Before I put the mixture in, I just want to show you the 3 different parts that are on top of the machine. This is your cover right here. This is the plastic piece that stores the ice cream. And then this is the freezer bowl, which before you would use this to make your ice cream, you just want to make sure you freeze it overnight. So if you want to get extra freezer bowls to make different ice creams at the same time, just freeze them overnight so that they're ready. So make sure that you turn the machine on before you start to pour the mixture in. So this is what it looks like just when I pour the ice cream in. And this is the result after 20 to 25 minutes of runtime. And another fun tip is if you want to add any sort of mix-ins in this, you just want to chop them up and put them in. If you're doing cake pieces or brownie pieces or any sort of mix-ins, throw them in this while it's running at the last 5 minutes of the cycle. The ice cream is ready now for me to be able to scoop it into my container. So I just want to unplug it here, take the top off, and you can see that it is perfectly smooth and creamy ice cream consistency. This is the brand of ice cream containers that I use. You might want to consider getting a good quality ice cream container if you are going to buy one of these, because it's really nice to be able to store this right away inside the freezer and not have to worry about any sort of freezer burn. And you can get this in the larger size, which you see here, or you could get this in the mini size, which comes in a multi-pack. So that's pretty fun because then everybody could have their own individual ice cream. And whenever you're scooping the ice cream out of there, you just want to make sure that you're using something soft, nothing that is going to scratch it. So I usually just use something with silicone like the spatula to get the ice cream out of the ice cream maker. And you can see that it is completely solid. I have it tipped upside down here. Nothing's spilling out or leaking out. You could certainly serve this and eat this right away after it's done being made, or you could choose to freeze it for an additional hour just to get it a little bit more hard. So it's all scooped into my container. And as far as the cleaning goes, the freezer bowl and the cover, the plastic insert that stores the ice cream, you just want to hand wash these with warm soapy water and use like a soft sponge, nothing abrasive. And we really love our Cuisinart ice cream maker. It's just so much fun to use and it's so easy to make ice cream. All of the recipes that come in your manual book included are so simple to make. And if you would like to purchase the 1.5 quart Cuisinart ice cream maker or the Tavolo ice cream storage container, I'll leave a link below for purchasing. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks so much for watching.